Well, good evening. Welcome to an episode of Cooking with the Kuhn. We gotta figure out how to put this thing on here. Here we go. There we go. Got this all done up. You know what we need first? We need a little music. There we go. Not too loud, you know. So I've already got a bit of a head start here. We've got the cheese in here, we've got the olive oil. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to cut up some of this sausage here. Alright. Maybe we'll get the stove on simmer here actually. Just at a number 2, not too much. We're just going to cut a couple of slices here. Stack them up as so, right, and just give them one chop straight down, just like that, and another one just like that. Oh, there she goes, topples down. Happens every time, and then, you know, just go ahead and chop up a few. Then we take what we've got here, and we just put it in there. There we go. Get that in there. Alright. And then we need 4 eggs. Alright? 4 eggs. Now, don't judge me on my egg breaking capabilities here, alright? I mean, sometimes I get a bit of shell in there, but you know, what are you gonna do, right? Oh, that's a good one. You gotta get it all. You gotta get it all. We're also going to be adding an avocado to the top of the layer once we're done cooking it there, you know. Alright, crank up the heat here. Don't forget to turn your fan on. Yes. Don't want to stink up the place, you know. We gotta mix it all together too, by the way, so you know, chop up your egg yolks there. And just stir it all together. Stir it all together. Now we just wait for that to cook up a little bit till it hardens up a bit, and then just start moving it around, you know, until you've got some scrambled mix. In the meanwhile, we can cut the avocado here. Come with me. Just get yourself a knife. Just cut it. Easy as that, you know. I like to get every little bit, so you know. Just get that on there. Every little bit. There's not going to be any waste in this house, I'll tell you that right now. Alright, join me back over here with the eggs, we'll see where they're at. Now we'll just crank it up a little bit more. Now this pan here, actually, I got this from Canadian Tire. That's right. Quite impressed with it actually, because I mean, you can see it's all sticking to the bottom here right now, but I'll tell you what, when we're nearly done here, there's not going to be anything on there. That's the trick. Can the pan be clean when you're done cooking? Just like that. And again, peeled off. Look at that, I tell you, right? And I'll say that's good. Now when you're done with the stove, don't forget to turn it off. That's what my mother always tells me. Now come with me, over here. We're just gonna let it all fall off here. Like, just like that, just like that. And we're just gonna get this avocado up on here, okay? We're gonna get the avocados up on here. Just let it get moved around in here. Basically scrambled eggs with avocado, you know, scrambled avocado, I don't know. But I mean, that's basically it, you know. the avocado really gives it that extra flavour. Just something different, you know. Thank you for joining me on Cooking with the Kuhn, and we'll see you in the next episode. Have a great night, everybody.